welcome back to Design Cafe. Guys, I'm Ananya Joyce, your interior architect, and today we're here to talk about one of the most interesting spaces of a home that everybody loves. By the title, you might have already guessed, we're talking about balcony. Now, did you know that we can do so much with your balcony space regardless of the size? In today's video, we're bringing you 8 stunning balcony designs. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let us know which is your most favorite. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Black and white themed ultra chic balcony, perfect for a bachelor pad or even a young couple. The tiles on the wall makes it super easy to maintain. This contemporary style balcony with a touch of feminine vibe is perfect for your girls' day in to relax and chit-chat. If you're running out of space, turn your balcony into a home office cum study like how we've done here. Added advantage is the stunning view, of course. For a family to huddle up on weekend game nights, a cozy cottage-style balcony like this would be perfect. Young adults with sophisticated style will love a Paris-style balcony like this with rustic wall finish and pastel colors with print. Here's a Diwali came early sort of a balcony with dreamy yet inexpensive fairy lights for a cozy reading mood. Major old Kolkata vibes with this colorful yet rustic color palette, cane grandpa chairs and a solid bar counter. A cheerful boho style balcony like this can unleash your hippie side. Hit like if you love this. I would love to chill, relax and sip on a coffee on any of these balconies at any given time. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And also, if you want us to transform your home just like this, do click on the link in the description box below for a free design consultation. Until next time, this is me, Ananya Joyce, signing off.